Hello Pisces Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Thank you nga po pala sa mga nag-like, nag-share, at saka nag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And for those na hindi nag-skip ng ads, thank you po sa inyong generosity and love and support sa ating channel. You're keeping this channel growing po. So maraming salamat po. So let's start. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Huwag po kayo mag-worry sa mga bagay o sa mga messages na hindi akma sa inyo. And just take and use your intuition kung ano lang po yung really for you and mag-work po sa inyong life right now. At the center of your reading, you have the Three of Cups. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Hanged Man. In the area of what you need, you have the King of Cups. In the area of your recent past, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. In the area of your near future, you have the Queen of Swords. In the area of your challenge this week, the Five of Pentacles. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Six of Swords. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Chariot and the Five of Cups. Beautiful. At in your outcome this week, you have the Two of Wands. Beautiful. At the bottom of your deck, Pisces, you have the Page of Pentacles, working on the things that are important to you, focusing on that, developing, pag-aralan mo mabuti kung ito may trabaho o school or anything that makes you busy right now. Focus on that. Kung negosyo man to, I'm seeing you devoting your time and effort and money sa pag-aasikaso nito at pagpapalago ng bagay na ito. So congratulations, because this is telling me that you're gonna be busy this week, Pisces. At the center of your reading, simulan na natin, you have the Three of Cups, enjoying the company of other people. Pwedeng tong friends, family, or a reunion with your loved ones. I'm also seeing you celebrating a huge milestone in your life, probably a birthday, or I'm seeing graduation or something good news, and you're like having this celebration or party with the people that are important to you. I'm also seeing you parang nagiging ano ka na, yung parang relax ka na, because you have been I'm seeing and sensing it's been a rough year sa your last years, o may pinagdaanan ka, and now you're seeing yourself relaxing and having fun with the people that you love. So the Three of Cups being clarified by the Knight of Cups, an offer. An offer will make you celebrate. Something, a good news will come to you this week that will make you so happy and make you celebrate with the people that you love. Kung ano mo tong offer na to, probably a job na matagal mo nang hinihintay. I'm sensing an email. I'm seeing an email with the stamp of approval, or a phone call saying na tuloy na yung pinlano nyo before. So you're gonna be celebrating with the people na nakakaalam ng plano mong yun. I'm also sensing a loved one or a special someone offering you marriage or a proposal for a family para sa inyo in the future. So congratulations in advance, Pisces. Akit po tayo in area of what you want and what you need. In the position of what you want, you have the Hanged Man. You want na matigil na itong stagnation o delay. There has been a delay in the past. Meron kang inasahan o merong pangako sa'yo, and it kept you waiting and waiting and waiting. So, nakasabit ka lang dito and still waiting for it. I'm seeing you imagining, anticipating this plan na maging totoo na, o matupad na yung gusto mong gawin, o magdire-diretso na itong plano mo, but until now you're still waiting and you want this delay to end. So the Hanged Man is being clarified by the Three of Pentacles. Kaya na mayroon tayong Three of Cups, 3-3. 3-3, you are loved by your ancestors, by the divine. You are being protected. So the Three of Pentacles, yes, it's about the delays in the things na pinangako sa'yo or sa job, delay on sa pagbuo ng project na ito. Meron kayong tinatrabaho o meron kayong ginawa with either sa family o sa workplace. Meron kayong pinlano o meron kayong binuo na something na ang tagal-tagal matapos o ang tagal-tagal magkaroon ng outcome o ng resulta, and now pare-pareho kayong naghihintay para sa fruition o sa resulta ng bagay na ito, or sa pagdating ng sagot o ng resulta para sa bagay na tinabaho niyo ito. I'm seeing the fourth pentacle na binibigay nitong crow sa kanya, meaning there is something na darating for you. Just have to really wait, be patient, and keep that faith within you na kung ano man itong tinabaho ninyo at pinag-usapan ninyo. At I'm seeing contracts too, kung ano man yung pinag-usapan ninyo na matutupad o dapat gawin. You're gonna be getting that. You just have to really wait and see other ways on how to accomplish this thing. Okay, Pisces. In the area of what you need the King of Cups. I'm seeing you need communication with this person, someone who is very stable, someone, if it's kung ito'y tungkol sa personal special someone mo, I'm seeing him sitting here and waiting for you to make a move, but siya naman din wala din siyang ginagawa to make a move to you. What you need is a clear communication. Be matured in this communication, be truthful, be factual, say what you mean what you say. Ang kailangan nyo ng heart-to-heart talk with this someone, King of Cups. I'm seeing naman, he's very mature, he's very calm, he's very he's very logical in his decisions, his or her decisions. So, meron kayong dapat pag-usapan more on details and more on ano yung plan in the future. But I'm seeing now, you, for other Pisces, I'm seeing you having this hindi mo hahayaan maka-apekto yung emosyon mo dun sa magiging decision mo, and how you're gonna approach this thing. Magiging logical ka, papaganahin mo yung utak mo kesa sa iyong puso. So the King of Cups, yun daw ang kailangan mo sa area of what you need, sabi ng iyong spirit guides Tower, change. You need to accept that there will be changes in this communication or in this pursuit of what you want clearly in this conversation. Kailangan parang you're laying down the cards, no pun intended, dun sa taong kakausapin mo. Parang ito yung sitwasyon natin, anong gagawin natin. So with that communication with this King of Cups, there will be changes, drastic changes probably with your future plans, or meron ka ma-discover sa kanya na parang mas makikilala mo siya, ganito ka pala, kaya pala ang tagal mo itong gawin, o kaya pala hindi tayo nagkakaunawaan because ganito ka pala. So there will be a lot of realizations and may lalabas na magbubunga doon sa pag-uusap yun na ito. So this is what you really need in order for you to change the current situation that you have with that person. Okay? In the recent past, you have the Nine of Pentacles. You enjoying your freedom, your independence. I'm seeing you enjoying the things na meron ka sa life mo. Hindi ka bothered sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. Masaya ka sa company na meron ka, sa closed and intimate people na kasama mo. Hindi ka bothered sa sinasabi ng iba. And I want you to know na you are having this enormous parang feeling of like kung okay ka lang to be with yourself, but somehow naghahanap ka pa rin ng ibang mga kasama, ganun. Pero kung ano yung meron now, you are very, very content with what you have. Having this 9 pentacles, ito mga pinaghirapan mo, parang enjoying the things na meron ka, more than thinking kung ano yung dako paroon o kung ano yung kulang sa akin. Parang you always have that innate appreciation of what you have, and somehow enough yun for you. So the 9 of Pentacles is being clarified by the 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles kasi about financial stability. Yung parang masaya ka sa kung ano meron ka. So you're embracing and taking control of the things that you have, pwedeng financial or material things or anything that you love and anything that pinapahalagahan mo. Masaya ka dun sa mga bagay na yun at niyayakap mo sila ng mahigpit and hindi mo sila take for granted. So this is really a good combination of 9 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. The independence, financial freedom, and also being the leader of your own life. Masaya ka sa kapaligiran mo at saka sa territory mo on your own. Just para masaya ka basta meron ka lang pagkakitaan, meron ka lang pera, meron ka lang panggastos, masaya ka sa company of your own. Yun yung talaga nararamdaman ko. But in the near future, you have the Queen of Swords. You cutting the cord, puputulin mo yung connection mo do sa mga taong hindi na sa tingin mo ay mahalaga sa'yo o hindi na nag-serve ng purpose nila sa'yo. I'm also seeing you having this clear vision of what you really want in life. Hindi ka na katulad dati na parang ang dami-dami mong pantasyang gustong makuha o yung mga pangarap na hindi mo alam na hindi pala attainable o hindi pala ganun kadaling makuha. Now, you have this clear vision of what you really want and what is doable and kung ano yung realistic, dati idealistic ka, ngayon you're very realistic na on what you want. You want the truth, you want it simple, you don't want complication. Kung ayaw, kung gusto, parang ganun. So, I'm seeing you having that independence and tiwala sa sarili mo na you're very happy on your own. That's what I'm really seeing. Queen of Swords being clarified by the Justice, balance, getting the balance in your life, the truth. I'm hearing the truth. Once you know the truth, pareho silang may hawak na espada. Yung isa nakataas, isa nakababa. Pero sa original tarot cards ng Justice, talagang nakataas itong espada na ito katulad ni Queen of Wands. That means na you're after the truth. You only want the truth. Kung hindi totoo yung pinapakita sa'yo, kaya mo siyang iwan o kaya mong umalis sa sitwasyon na yun. So, balance will be restored in your life once you already know and you already accepted what you really want and kung ano talaga yung totoong katotohanan na gustong-gusto mong makuha at kung ano yung present sa iyong life. So, balance will be restored sa iyo in the future because you chose to take hold of what's the truth and what is for you. Okay? In your challenge this week, Pisces, you have the 5 of Pentacles, financial difficulty, probably medyo taghirap ngayon with decisions or with communications, but mostly this is about your resources. Medyo may kakulangan dyan, pero you're being encouraged to focus on the things na abundant ka. Pwedeng you're very healthy now o kasama mo yung pamilya mo. Nagagawa mo yung work mo na efficient and maayos. So, enjoy and be grateful dun sa mga bagay na meron ka kaysa mag-focus ka dun sa mga wala so that you can lampasan mo tong challenge na to this week. Okay, the 5 of Pentacles is being clarified by the 5 of Pentacles. Twice tumabas, 5-5. 5-5-5 is change. There's some change sa life mo na kailangan mo i-accept. So, daanan mo lang tong 5 of Pentacles. It's really about you relying on yourself, focusing on what's important with the Page of Pentacles, using this 9 of Pentacles in the past and the 3 of Cups, enjoying the company of your own, enjoying with the people that are important to you, and you'll be fine. Dadaan lang tong 5 of Pentacles na to sa'yo. And the focus on your strength, focus on your abundance. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, yun dapat may pagpasalamat. And this will shift your perspective. Help is coming. I'm hearing help is coming. You are not alone in this journey. I know naman na you're surrounded with the people that you love and with the people that you can trust. So whenever you need help, don't hesitate to ask. So yan ang ibig sa yung sabihin ng spirit guides with this 2-5 of Pentacles. But in the area of your good fortune, you are sailing away. You are moving forward with the truth na malalaman mo in the future. And after this delay, now ano gusto mo, after this communication and the tower moment of a change, alalarga ka na, you're sailing and moving forward. I'm seeing you distancing yourself with the people or with a situation na hindi akma na sa'yo. You are choosing to move and go on to a new direction na iba dun sa ginawa mo before o naisip mo, napagplanuhan mo before. I'm seeing you charging and taking the power back into your own hands and saying na, ito ang decision ko, ito ang gagawin ko. That is what I'm hearing. Parang kakaroon ka na ng power to do what you want. Ito yung swerte for you this week. So, the Six of Swords being clarified by the King of Pentacles. Kung meron kang King of Cups, meron kang King of Pentacles here. Having that, choosing to prioritize what's important for the longevity of your life. Ano yung parang, kung ano yung pangmatagalan mong magagamit at pangmatagalan mong ma-acquire for your life na maging worthy for you sa pagtagal hanggang sa pagtanda mo. I'm hearing. So, yun yung parang ipaprioritize what gagawin mo. You're gonna be very practical on your approach here. Kung ano yung realistic approach, yun ang gagawin mo. And you're sensing na kung ayaw nyo sa akin o hindi to nag-work, I will be doing other things na mag-work sa akin. So, you have that power within you to really focus on what's important and what's real for you. So, in the position of your divine advice, you have the Chariot and the Five of Cups. Yeah, move forward ka na and don't dwell on your regrets. Don't dwell on those rejections or yung mga bagay na hindi natupad, yung mga bagay na hindi napunta sa'yo o hindi mo nakuha. So, move forward ka na, charge forward and appreciate kung ano itong 2 cups na nakita nyo ba. Merong natitirang 2 cups na nakatayo dun sa paddle. Ibig sabihin, meron pang mga bagay, mga potentials and possibilities for you na pwede mong i-acquire in the future, now and beyond, diba? So just charge and move forward. You have the authority within you. You have the authority and the will para magawa mo at pumunta ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong tahakin in your life. This is a very empowering reading for your Pisces. Like, kung hindi mag-work ibang bagay, then ako ang bahala. Gagawa ako ng paraan to make things work for me on my own terms, on my own way. Yun yung nakikita ko. So, very empowering reading to for you. So, the Chariot is being clarified by the world, a completion, yes, a success. Tapos na yung past and you're ready to move forward. The Five of Cups being clarified is by the Lovers, a choice. Choice mo to move forward, choice mo to forget your regrets, forget the past, forget what happened, and forgive yourself for being part of those painful things, diba? If you have forgiven yourself dun sa mga pagkakamaling yon or regrets na yon, that is the time that you can really move on and say, you know what, that's the past. I'm ready to move on and move forward. Okay? So, in your outcome, you have the Two of Wands. Very beautiful card. Bago tipuntahan yan at pag-usapan, basa muna tayo ng mga additional messages from the Divine. We have number 11. Convert din yung 11 or number of significance. This is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Kung nakita po kayo ng butterfly anywhere, na pag-usapan o pictures o personal, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Transformation is beautiful. Akma dito sa ating tower, with this changing of your perspective, with this moving forward and forgetting and your regrets and pains. That is a transformation for you. Sailing away, focusing on what's important for you, diba? That is a transformation. Dadaanan mo lang to mga Five of Pentacles moments and gonna be coming out of this situation like a butterfly. Okay, the next message, show the world the real you. Like I've said, yung totoong ikaw. Dito sa sinabing kanina. Here, parang you are ready to conquer and kung ayaw-ayaw, kung gusto-gusto, diba? Parang yun yung nakikita ko dyan. Another message is great adventure. I've said great adventure here. Sailing away. Take a risk, venture forward. Yeah. Take the power back to you and take a risk, venture forward. You just attach dito sa iyong outcome, Pisces, na Two of Wands, planning ahead. Now it's a time for you to make changes in your plans, visiting that older plan and check kung nag-work pa ba siya sa situation mo now, and that will propel you to create another realistic plan for your future. I'm seeing travel with a globe sa kamay ng ating lalaki dito sa ating Two of Wands. You need to choose whether to go here or there. There should be a definitive action pagdating sa choices mo na yan. It should be realistic, it should be attainable, it should be doable, because you don't want to end up planning and then nothing happens, diba? So in order for things to move forward, in order for things to take into fruition at magkatotoo, you need to make plans that are doable and are attainable, diba? So the Two of Wands is being clarified by Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Take a moment po to wish, kasi ang Nine of Wands in my practice, Nine of Cups in my practice is about you wishing what you want. So pag nag-wish ka, it will come true. So take a moment and make a wish, Pisces. Pwede mo i-pause yung video if you want. Okay, so make a wish. Nine of Cups, mag-clarify sa ating Two of Wands. So whatever itong pinaplano mo at gusto mong gawin in the future, after mo madaanan tong lahat ng to, after ng Tower moment and the completion in Chariot and sailing away, focusing on what's important, I wish fulfillment will come to you. A grand plan for you is leading you to a wish fulfillment. Wow, that's a really, really heavy and malaman na sentence. A grand plan for you will lead you to your wish fulfillment. Wow, Pisces, that is beautiful. A very insightful and empowering reading for you this week. So kung nakarating po kayo sa part na to, kung saan kayo naka-resonate, please comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you, Pisces. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the subscriptions, and also for not skipping the ads. Your generosity really means a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.